Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Westwood Elementary School in Santa Clara, California, part of the Santa Clara Unified School District, and I've been here in the past. It was another time I got to come. It's been quite a few years though since my last time I was on campus. But here at the home of the Wildcats, kind of outside their main school entrance, and we had a few assemblies today. The first one TK through second grade, the second one grades 3 to 5, both on the same topic and more age appropriate based on the grade levels. But it was all about bullying, but more importantly, looking at someone's heart first, right? The same way that you see your best friend for their heart before anything else. We know that our heart's as big as our fist, but we can let love, peace, kindness, compassion fully enter into here. We can turn that into this, right? Peace sign, where one finger's ourself, the other is someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourself. But it's also two, because in just 2 seconds, one breath, one heartbeat, one word, one action. We can say something so kind that it stays on someone's heart in a great way, a positive way for the rest of their life, or conversely, say something so negative it stays on their heart in a very destructive way forever. So we have that choice, right? To be able to see people like we see our best friend, and also, know that we can continue to show this type of kindness that this world desperately needs. And when we're talking about bullying, the big reason that I see why it happens, the biggest, is that hurt people, right? We decide to push some of that pain onto someone else because it's the easy thing to do. The harder thing to do is to be able to feel and start to heal and become these healed people that eventually will heal people. And if we can, step into that path, all of a sudden, we are hopefully going to be helping those around us, showing them that same compassion that was originally shown to us. And that's beautiful and definitely not easy, but it's something that's possible. So through a series of heartfelt stories, the motivational videos, the positive music, the different picture slides and the physical props that reinforce the message for today, I think the students really got that. Some of them, even a couple teachers as well, were in tears. And I would say tears are the sweat of our strength, right? You're starting to heal, you're starting to feel again, and that's beautiful. Because the more that we can do that and have that courage to step into knowing our power, the more that we can be conscious of those around us that are in need and go to look to help them, right? And so that means we are able to see people for their heart first, but also for this too. All of us with the lines on our hand, I bring this up in every assembly that I do, but especially this program, we all with the lines on our hand have letter M, right? Trace one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it, but you have at least one in each hand, and that M stands for miracle, right? Upside down, W's for worthy, like the front of the shirt though here, miracle, and then upside down, worthy, or W for Westwood Wildcats, right? But this means that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to truly buy into this, because some people I speak to, sometimes they've never been told that, or they've forgotten that, or they need that reminder. And for us to be that light to their heart, that's huge. And so, again, to see that, a lot of these students really did take it to heart and said, hey, Mr. Peace, I can touch my heart. Well, that means you have a big heart. And now it's up to you to go share that gift by how you choose to treat yourself and others going forward. So thanks so much for touching my heart as well, and hope you have a great rest of the school year. Until then though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.